I'm Shiva, plus 1,000 others attached. I call upon our beloved Creator of heaven and earth and all that is in between to give me clear, concise, divine guidance that serves His highest good. It is so. We are now vibrating at the frequency of absolute conscious awareness. It is so. Our beloved Creator, our poise for us. You don't have to feel guilty for being yourself or having made some poor choices. As long as you are making better choices now, that's just part of the growth process. There's something that's coming to mind every time you're remembering something. But just know that our beloved Creator is for you, for good and for bad. Now, what must you remember? I'm not taking this one. The victory our beloved Creator, because our beloved Creator is for us, no one can be against us. And you know what you've been through, the long road you've walked, and now the victory is yours. Our beloved Creator, which gratitude affirmation do you have for us? I'm grateful now that I'm calm and sensible. I'm feeling that maybe you were short-tempered and you've overcome that. Maybe you made a promise to yourself. Now, victory is not only over our enemies, it's also over our weaknesses and shortcomings. You cleaned your act. You cleaned up your act. You matured. You're cool now. You think a thing through. No one can just come push your buttons and get you to act in a way to amuse them. You know, that was their greatest ambition, to make you look foolish. But now the victory is yours. One must be intelligent to get a cosmic reading. And you are intelligent. You actually have an excellent memory. Meaning that you know exactly what you need to work on. Knowing that our beloved Creator is for us. So there's no problem in maturing and growing and developing. Don't hang on to who you once were if you've overcome that. So I know you are a very intelligent person. I'm feeling that whatever you need to change is very personal. Maybe something that you haven't even discussed with anyone. Our spirit guides love walking this path with us. I said it was a long road. You've come a long way. So you're not walking alone. And our beloved Creator is for us. So you can see here, our Creator walks every path with us. The more honest we are with Him, not as in honest like that, more honest as in how you truly feel about things and all of that, the closer you grow to Him. And you have spirit guides, but I took them off. I replaced it with this painting. But that's kind of how it is for us, because we are divine. You see, you don't have to worry about the path you've walked. Everything was for a reason, for good or for bad. It was good. You learned through experience. Wow. Yeah. And this experience, I would say, like you street smart, book smart. You know, you are a very intellectual person, very cerebral. But you do feel guilty for some of the things you've done, but don't worry about that. That was part of your past. I'm not condoning iniquity. I'm just saying that some things are not iniquity, it's just how we experience divine knowledge and which choices we make. Maybe initially we'd get easily angered, but by now we can count to 5 at least before we act. See? Every weakness is not necessarily a bad, evil thing. It's just part of the process. Merciful is outside the heart of our beloved Creator. Okay, so you did delve into dark matters, perhaps, right? But our Creator showed you mercy because you remembered that our beloved Creator is for us, and then maybe for a moment you went off the path, but you repented, and our beloved Creator showed you mercy. So now when He forgives us, then it's a real forgiveness. It doesn't remind us all day, every day. But what is important is that you grow and you mature so that it reflects appreciation for our Creator's mercy. Who is this card now? Hey, I have to look for my cards. Anyway, I actually don't know where it is. Oh yeah, merciful. Now to be here or here is very good. Very good. But to be here is very bad. So don't worry about the way you got here. You got here when it mattered. You did it. Our beloved Creator, which word of wisdom? Always be grateful even when things challenge you. I think that you wrestle with your conscience. When you think about what you did, maybe you regret doing that, right? But you learned. You learned, you cleaned up your act, you made the math. You reconciled something within you. And it wasn't very easy. In fact, it was difficult, but because our Creator is for you, He assigned His lovely spirit guides to walk with you. So, I think you're feeling grateful that even though you were once misled, you did the right thing when it mattered. You used this lovely intelligence of yours. Oh, beloved Creator, perhaps you are glowing now because you are growing. You see who our Creator is, that is for us, that is given us many blessings, but along our path we haven't always shown appreciation for that. But you are glowing now. That's what growth does. Now, which card was it? That's what growth does. Alright? Start to glow. See, I glow blue, I glow golden, and sometimes I see different colors. Our beloved Creator, living waters. The throne of our beloved Creator here. This is what I call the living waters. In heaven, the sky is pink. And here in the center of heaven is a huge uh, golden disc. It looks like a waterfall. The water flows up, down, left, right, and can protrude. I call that the living water. So you have been a creator, gave you a fresh start, a clean slate, a new beginning. You feel restored, rejuvenated, irrespective of the choices you made. We call it the folly of youth. So that's good. Success guaranteed. It will get better. For example, if you were a drug addict and you saw, okay, that doesn't now serve you, and you left that behind, then that is a good thing because now you're being rejuvenated. Something like that, a choice you made that led you down the wrong road. But you still made it. As above, so below. You see, you planted at our beloved Creator's throne. So now you will be glowing. Because even though things were challenging, you always showed gratitude. And you can have a clear conscience about the choices you once made because it's not as though you're still doing those things. You let that go. You can't beat yourself up. The only time you could is if you're still doing that. Our beloved Creator, yes, and honor. The very things that you were perhaps ashamed of or that brought you dishonor is now like your testimony. And your behavior is bringing our beloved Creator honor. Because no matter the path you traveled, you still returned to the Father. Which is the whole point of all of this. We are that part of divine experience where we feel separate from Him. It's a thought in our mind. And once we realize that we are in His presence, that is called the return to our Father. Our beloved Creator, thank you that you never give up on us. And that even though we can stray off the path, you always make a way for us to return. Important. There's a reason you were saved. Because you are important to our Creator. Because you are very intelligent. You have an excellent memory. And you are not alone. And good job on cleaning up your life. Forgive yourself, our Creator already forgave you. I don't feel that you will ever go back to your old ways. Our beloved Creator, I doubt you'll go back to your old ways. You see, the second separation. The first separation, we were separated from all the wicked. Now, this was regarded as the wicked. Then here with the third ascension, everyone here, our Creator brought you from this place, which is here, to this place. It looks like that. So there's 600 million who remain there, but 2.4 billion He showed mercy to. So I don't think you'll ever go back to your old ways because they are now dimensions away from us. It looks like they are still here, but you are in a Creator's light. You're protected from your old life. You've cleaned up your act, you know. Nothing can separate you from our beloved Creator. And always remember that you have spirit guides walking this path with you. And what is good for you is not only your intelligence, but that No matter what you face, you accept full responsibility and accountability for that. Because you're grateful that no matter how hard the path is, you are here and not here. So you definitely know this to be true. Our beloved Creator, thank you for saving us. Our beloved Creator is worthy to be praised. He is the greatest. Hallelujah, hallelujah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Namaste.